Today I want to talk about related videos appearing at the end of a video. And nobody wants to embed a video on their website or on their blog or in their training course just to have competitors' videos show up. We don't want that, right? So there's a code that you can add to the end of the video when you embed it that will stop competitors' videos from showing up. New in 2019, you can no longer stop related videos from appearing, but now they're from your own channel as long as you add this code. So let me show you how this works. So let's say we are going to, this is our video we're going to share. So I'm going to go ahead and click share, and I'm going to get this YouTube URL, or let's say I'm just going to embed it on my website. I'm going to grab embed, and I'm going to grab the embed code. Now, it used to be there was a button here that said do not show related videos. It would become part of the code, and that's now gone. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. Now we go over to our blog, and I'm going to click new post as if we're going to go ahead and create a new blog post. And I'm going to go ahead and embed this video. So I'm going to add a content block, and I'm going to add HTML. Okay, so wherever you access your HTML code in your editor, and I'm going to paste this right here. Now, one thing I have to add, right here after that letter K, I'm going to add a question mark, REL equals 0. Okay, so the question mark is just that little string that tells, that's basically saying, hey, I'm adding something to the end of this string, this URL. And then REL, related, equals 0. So do not show, related equals 0. Do not show any videos, okay? Now let's take a look at this. So here's your video, right? You would press play. Now at the very end of the video, it would normally show competitors.
The readability.
But now.
And a discount for our other training courses. Check out the full course in the description below.
Now it only shows Yoast related because that's a Yoast video. So it shows only videos from their channel. So the advantage now in adding this is that when it shows related videos, which it is going to, they're going to be from your channel. At least that's the way it is today. So go ahead and add that string at the end of it, question mark, REL equals 0, right to the end of the URL with no spaces, and that'll take care of that for you.